How to get local channels on Hulu Live. I'm going to tell you how to get local channels on Hulu Live. First, check your home location in Hulu settings. Go to settings, privacy and settings, set home, and make sure your address is right. Hulu uses this to determine which local channels you get, but remember, you can only change it 4 times per year. If you're using Hulu on your phone or tablet, enable location services in your device settings. Hulu Live TV needs to confirm your local channels. If you still are not seeing the right local channels, try restarting your television, streaming device, or router to refresh your Hulu connection. If a certain local channel isn't available, consider using a digital antenna to access free over-the-air channels alongside Hulu Live.